Hello dear students, today again we are going to continue with the topic construction of triangles. Today we are going to start with practice set 4.2. Before that we are going to study some solved examples which are given in your textbook. Today we are going to study construction of a triangle when its base and adjacent angle to the base and difference between the remaining side is given. Okay. In the last construction what you have seen, you have studied that construction of a triangle when an adjacent angle to the base and the sum of the remaining two sides were given. Okay, two sides were added. Okay, today we are going to study the difference between two sides are given and you are going to construct a triangle. So before moving to practice set 4.2, let us start with some examples. As practice set 4.2 contains only only three questions, so let us take this more questions for practice. So construct triangle ABC such that BC is 7.5 centimeters, angle ABC is 40 degree and AB minus AC is 3 centimeters. Now children, you have to keep in mind two things. Okay, now they have given here difference. Okay, they have given here difference between two sides, AB minus AC. Okay, in practice set 4.1 they used to give you AB plus AC, but here what they have given, AB minus AC. Difference between the two sides of the triangle is given and adjacent angle is given as well as base of the triangle is given. Okay, now if you see children over here, they have given you that AB minus AC is equal to 3 centimeters. Okay, now AB, if you see, AB is to your left hand side. Okay, left. Okay, and AC is to your right hand side, that is right. Okay, whenever left minus right comes, okay, minus right comes, that time you have to draw the diagram above. Okay, you have to draw the diagram above. And when it comes right minus left, okay, that we'll be studying in second example. Okay, when it comes right minus left, that time left means lower, you have to draw below the base. Okay, you have to construct a triangle below the base with the help of you have to take the help of below base. Okay, now first of all let us consider, now as it has been right, that means upside or upper. You have to work on the upper part of the base. Okay, now here they have told you that construct triangle ABC such that BC is 7.5. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll draw BC 7.5. So here is BC 7.5. So I'll write down here BC 7.5 centimeters. Okay, after that they told you to take angle ABC of 40 degree. Now I'll keep the pointer over here of this protector. Okay, and angle we have to take, that is 40 degree. So it comes over here. I'll mark here. Now we'll draw a ray. Okay, so this is your ray. Now we'll name this ray as D. Okay, now with the help of compass, you have to take distance AB minus AC, that is 3 centimeters. So what you will take, you will take distance in your compass, that will be 3 centimeters. So I'll mark dots of that distance over here. Here is your 3 centimeter. Okay, and okay, I've taken 3 centimeter distance in my compass. I'll keep it at point B. I'll keep the pointer at point B and I'll mark a arc. Okay, now I'll name this arc suppose as E. Okay, we'll name it as E. Now we have to join this EC. Okay, we'll join this EC. Okay, we have joined this EC. Now children, what you have to do is, with the help of your compass, you have to draw perpendicular bisector on this EC. You can see this red line, you have to draw perpendicular bisector on this EC. So what you have to do for that, you have to keep the pointer at C. You have to take more than half distance and you have to mark an arc over here. In the same way, you'll keep the pointer at point E and you'll mark the arc over here. Okay, I have to increase the arc. Okay, so in this way, you'll draw a perpendicular bisector. Now you can see how I am drawing it. Okay, now this perpendicular bisector, it has intersected here. Okay, now from this point of intersection, you'll join it to C. Okay, now this will join to C. This intersecting point will join with C. And this is your required triangle ABC. Okay, this is your required triangle ABC. Now this side will be equal to this side, and this side will be equal to this side. Okay, in this way you had to construct triangle ABC. Okay, now let us move on towards the next question. Now in question number 2, construct a triangle ABC in which side BC is 7 cm, length or angle B is 40 degree and AC minus BC is 3 cm. Now remember what they have given here, AC minus BC. Got it? Now AC comes to your right hand side. AC comes to your right hand side and BC comes to your left hand side. That means diagram will be lower, below the base. Okay, below the base. Now pay your attention how I am drawing it. So you have to take distance 7 centimeters first. So see here. Here I have 7 centimeter. So I'll name it as BC 7 centimeter. Okay. Now you have to take an angle with the help of protractor that is of 40 degrees. So I'll keep the protractor at point B. Okay. And I will be taking distance 40, or I'll mark an angle of 40 degree. Now when you're drawing the line, when you're drawing this angle of 40 degree, that time you will be drawing it below B also. Okay, now just see how I am drawing it. See, I have extended it here also and I'll extend it above. Okay, in this way I have extended this line. Got it? Whenever this left comes, no, when left comes, minus left, that means you have to focus here. I'll mark it with the red pen. You have to focus on this side. Left will come here, then you have to draw the figure lower. Now I'll show you previous example. Now see, if you compare this two, this is a second example and this was a first example. Here it is a right minus left and here it is left minus right. So on the left hand side, what has come? Right has come. That means diagram will be above the base. Okay. Now here left hand side has come. That means diagram should be below the base. Understood? What you have to do here? Whatever the base they have given you, below that you have to draw the perpendicular bisector. Got it? So you will understand as I am going to construct the triangle. But remember, this is a trick. You don't have to write it in your exam. You can write it as a rough work. When it comes right minus left, then you have to draw the diagram below. And when it comes left minus right, then you have to draw the diagram above. Got it? As we have drawn this diagram. Okay. Now here, with the help of your compass, you will be taking AC minus AB, that is 3 centimeters. So I'll mark here 3 centimeters distance. I'll take that distance in my compass. 3 centimeter. I'll keep it at point B. Now below, left has come this side, means we have to mark the arc below over here. So I have marked the arc over here. I'll name it as again D. Okay, and we'll join this to C. We'll join this arc to point C. Okay. So Now what we are going to do is, we'll measure more than half distance from between this CD. Okay, we'll draw perpendicular bisector over here now. Okay, now we have to draw a perpendicular bisector over here. Okay, so in this way we have drawn perpendicular bisector. Now you can see this green line is intersecting this ray over here. Okay, so here you have to join it with C. Okay, you have to join this point with C. And this is your triangle ABC. Okay, this is your required triangle ABC. Okay, so now this side will be equal to this side and this side will be equal to this side. Okay, I'll draw it in this way. So I hope so you have understood. Now let us move on towards practice set 4.2. Now in practice set 4.2, they have asked you to draw a triangle XYZ such that YZ is 7.4, angle XYZ is 45 degrees and XY minus XZ is 2.7 centimeters. Now first of all, let us draw the rough diagram. Now for the rough diagram, I'll draw here. Any triangle you can draw over here as a rough diagram. Okay, now this is your X, Y and Z. So YZ is 7.4 centimeters. Okay, angle is 45 degrees and they have given you here that XY minus XZ is equal to 2.7 centimeter. Okay, now children, if you see, this XY is to your left hand side and this XZ is to your right hand side. When right comes, the diagram should be upper. Okay, now we'll draw the base that is of 7.4 centimeters. Now see here I have taken distance 7.4. Okay, we'll name it as YZ. I'll write it down here, 7.4 centimeters. Okay, then we'll keep the protector over here. Okay, we'll keep the protector over here. And you have to measure an angle of 45 degrees. Now see, this angle is of 45 degrees. 45 degree. Okay, so I'll write down here 45 degree. Okay, now they have told you XY minus XZ is 2.7. So with the help of the compass, I'll take distance 2.7 over here. So see, you can see here 2.5 and this is 7. 2.7 distance I'll measure. I'll take it in my compass. Okay, now keeping it at point Y, I'll mark a arc over here. Okay, I've marked the arc over here and I'll name this arc as, suppose as B. Okay, now we have to join this BZ. Okay, we'll join this BZ. This BZ I have already joined now. Now, next thing is, on this BZ you have to draw a perpendicular bisector. Now I'll take more than half distance from point Z. Okay, and I'll draw arc over here. Now I'll keep here at the pointer at point B and I'll cut this arc. Now what we are going to do is, will join this perpendicular bisector. Okay, now you can see this perpendicular bisector, it is intersecting this ray YB at this point. Okay, now from this point of intersection you will be joining it to Z. Now see, I will join it here. Okay, so this is your point X. Okay, so this is your required triangle XYZ. Okay, now let us move on towards the next question of this practice set. Construct triangle PQR such that QR is 6.5 centimeters, angle PQR is 40 degree. In your textbook, the old version, if you see, in that they have given 60 degree, it should be 40 degree, and PQ minus PR is equal to 2.5 centimeters. Okay, now first of all we'll draw the rough diagram over here. So this will be your required triangle PQR. Okay, now PQR is your required triangle. Angle PQR they have given 40 degree. Okay, now they have told you PQ minus PR is equal to 2.5 centimeters. Got it? Now if you see PQ is to your left side and PR is to the right side. So right means upper diagram. Okay, above the base you have to draw this diagram. Now what we'll do, this line is how much? 6.5. First of all you have to take a base of 6.5 centimeters. So I'll take a base here of 6.5 centimeters. This is your QR, 6.5 centimeters. Okay, then you have to take an angle of 40 degree. Okay, so this angle will be of 40 degree. This angle will be of 40 degree. Now with the help of your compass you have to take a distance of 2.5 centimeters. So mark here 2.5 centimeters. So at point Q you have to keep your compass and you have to mark a arc. Now you have to join. Now suppose we'll name this point as S. Now you have to join this SR. Okay, now from this SR you have to draw a perpendicular bisector. Take more than half distance between SR, mark an arc over here, another arc here, keep it at point S. Okay, then you have to mark one more arc over here and another arc over here. Okay, so on this you have drawn a perpendicular bisector. Now with the help of scale you have to join this arc, or you have to join this perpendicular bisector. So now you can see this perpendicular bisector is intersecting this line, that is ray QS over here. Now from this point you have to join this to R. Okay, we'll name this point as P, and with the help of the scale we'll join this point. Got it? In this way you have to construct triangle PQR. Okay, now let us move on towards the last question of this practice set, that is question number 3. Okay, so in question number 3 they have told you that construct triangle ABC such that BC is 6 centimeters, Angle ABC is 100 degree and AC minus AB is 2.5 centimeters. So first of all, I'll draw a rough diagram over here. Okay, so this is your triangle ABC, where BC is 6 centimeters. Angle ABC is 100 degrees, suppose. Now children, they have given you that AC minus AB is equal to 2.5 centimeters. Okay, now see, AC is to your right hand side, right, and AB is to your left. Left means you have to draw the diagram lower, below the base. Okay, now first of all, let us start with the construction. Now here I will take BC as the base 6 centimeter they have given. Okay, this is your BC 6 centimeters. Okay, now angle ABC they have told that is 100 degree. So I'll keep the pointer over here of this protector and I'll mark 100 degrees angle over here. Okay, now when they tell you lower, okay, that time you have to extend this angle below B. Okay, now see, first of all we'll draw this. Okay, you have to also draw it below. Okay, more I'll extend this. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to take distance 2.5 in our compass. So I'll mark distance 2.5 over here. Okay, 2.5. Okay, you have to place the pointer at point B, and below B you have to mark 2.5 arc. Okay, so I have marked the arc over here. We'll name this arc as D. Now what you have to do is you have to join this D and C. So I'll join this DC. Okay, now as you have joined this DC, what you have to do, here you have to draw a perpendicular bisector. So you will take more than half distance over here from D to C. You have to take more than half distance. Okay, more than half, and you have to mark an arc over here. Okay, in this way you have to mark an arc, and then you have to join these two arcs. Okay, in this way you have to join this arc. Okay, now we can see this perpendicular is intersecting this line over here. Now from here you have to join to point C. Okay, now see here. And this is your triangle ABC. Got it? ABC is your required triangle. Got it, everyone? So remember this trick. When left comes after minus, after this minus sign, when left comes, that time you have to draw the diagram below. Okay, and when if right comes after minus, if right comes, then you have to draw the diagram above. Okay, so this was the trick for today's session. Now in this we have completed practice set 4.2. In the next session we shall start with the basic of practice set 4.3, and as well as we are going to study practice set 4.3.